Now it's time to finally install the cabinet top stopper unit. The cabinet stopper unit is designed to stop the bed frame at the proper point when the bed is closed. Get your helper to pull the bed open a little bit at the top, so you can easily slide the cabinet top unit between the cabinet sides until it rests on the cabinet top bottom. The gap along the top between parts GA and the footer end of the face panels should be even. This gap may be anywhere from 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch. Making sure the front of the cabinet top unit is flush with the front of the cabinet sides, drive 1 1/4 inch long wood screws into part GC on the cabinet top stopper to secure it to the cabinet top bottom as shown here. The cabinet top stopper has now been attached to the cabinet top bottom. This will also make the bed frame flush with the front finished edges of the cabinet sides. Please note that at this point, if you want to open the bed, it will be a little difficult, because a Murphy bed needs the weight of the mattress to work properly. Do not be afraid to open the bed by slowly pulling on the handles. Now it's time to attach the folding legs to the side rails if you haven't already done so. You may also use a 40 to 50 pound weight such as a dumbbell to keep the bed frame down. You may also place a stool under the bed frame to assist you in installing the legs. Identify the left and right leg by the stamped text on the leg plates. Remove the 3 machine screws on the side rail that were installed during the construction steps. Place the leg on the side rail as shown here. Drive each of the machine screws into the cap nuts on the side rails to secure the folding leg to the side rail. Repeat the same steps to attach the other leg to the other side of the bed frame. You may finish tightening the machine screws using a 5/32 or 4 mm Allen wrench. Please note the bed frame will not stay down until the mattress is placed on it in the next step. The Murphy bed folding legs are now installed. Slowly open the bed frame and hold it down. Get your helper to hold down the bed frame. Undo the quick release mattress clip. Now grab your mattress and slowly slide it onto the bed frame. The weight of the mattress along with the weight of the bed frame will counterbalance the mechanical forces in the easy lift pistons, making the bed frame easy to open and close. Reattach the mattress clip to hold your mattress on the bed frame. Pull on the loose end to tighten it. The easy DIY Murphy bed is now complete and ready to be used occasionally or daily. You are now ready to enjoy a lifetime of comfort and convenience. If you have decided to install the optional leg crossbar, please watch the video titled, Attaching the Leg Crossbar, in the videos section of our website for step-by-step instructions. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, and subscribe for more upcoming great DIY content from us. For more details and to download a free copy of our visually illustrated construction guide, visit easydiymurphybed.com. Thank you for watching.